Hey, what's happening, scrappers? I know I haven't been on you in a while. Family life and work. But I'm still picking up the scrap a bit, like. And it hasn't been a bad little pickup today. Just driving around. The problem in South Wales, there ain't a lot. There ain't a lot of stuff like, a lot of scrap. You put a bit round, but there's not a lot of goodies put out. Done right though. Toshiba telly. We have 3 skyboxes, 2 numeral 3, another Sky HD box, and another Sky HD box. But I will be starting to do some more videos in the next couple of weeks, so keep scrapping, keep happy, and live the dream.